Looking for a way to speed up your cooking without sacrificing control or safety? The NutriChef Professional Digital Countertop Dual Induction Cooker offers exactly that. With 2 independent heating zones and a clear digital display, you can cook multiple dishes at once with precision temperature control, making meal prep smoother and faster than ever. I wasn't always sold on induction cooking until I tried this NutriChef model. Right out of the box, it was surprisingly easy to use. After a quick glance at the instructions, I was ready to cook. The magnetic induction technology heats pots and pans quickly and evenly, cutting down wait times dramatically. Plus, the smooth glass surface cleans up in seconds, unlike traditional stovetops that trap spills and grime. It's compact enough to fit in tight kitchen spaces or even for outdoor cooking, making it versatile for any setting. Just remember, you'll need induction-compatible cookware like cast iron or stainless steel to get the best results. One feature that really stood out is the built-in child safety lock. If you have little ones around, this gives peace of mind by locking the controls and preventing accidental burns. The cooker also offers multiple modes: fry, steam, water, and a handy automatic warm function that keeps your food ready to serve without overcooking. And because it uses electromagnets, it's highly energy efficient, wasting very little heat and saving on your electricity bill over time. If you're someone who values quick, reliable cooking with minimal fuss, the NutriChef Dual Induction Cooker is worth a look. It's not just an upgrade, it's a smarter way to cook that fits modern lifestyles. Try it when you're ready to experience faster meal prep, safer kitchen time, and easy cleanup. For those new to induction, consider picking up a cookbook designed for induction cooking to skip the trial and error and get straight to delicious meals.